Panera.
Deja que ya sé que se va a poner peor y me lo digo. Te dije la bolsita se va a poner peor porque no está.
Ross is that way. I'm stepping on it clearly.
Mira, está bien solo el arroz. No hay carros casi.
No.
No hay estacionamiento y mira, ahora hay muchos. La pega ahorita otra vez se me acaba de pegar.
Está bien oscuro.
Mira, se está viniendo más rápido. Nos va a agarrar el agua, yo lo siento. Mira, voy a bajar un que está ahí para que te lo pongas en la cabeza.
5:50, 5:24. And it's dark as hell. I'm gonna put on my hoodie. Yeah. Just at Panera. I can't stop talking about the salad. Oh, mira, they already have Christmas stuff. It stopped raining. So put on my hoodie for what? I might as well keep it on at this point. Oh my god. There's our car. And then we're gonna go to Ross. We also gotta go to Foot Locker too to return stuff. Bro. Alright guys, it's still just sprinkling. It hasn't fully run yet. So I just stopped by Rite Aid, but I didn't show you. And we got something. So my aunt went to go get her pills or whatever, and we bought this like random bottle or something. I don't even know what it's for. It says skin cleanser, and I'll show y'all. But like, is it to wash your face? Alright y'all, I'm back home. It's pretty windy to be honest. We got water on my phone. Wanna go back inside?
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
It's raining, it's pouring. Where are those chips? Oh, someone left their Doritos. Or someone really loves Doritos then, because look, they left more Doritos.
What is that?
Doritos.
Look at it.
A cracker, Pop-Tart. That looks like a Pop-Tart. Okay, so we're gonna go. It's raining more by this light thing than at my grandpa's apartment. Very interesting science experiment. An hour time. So look at my fuck ass cat. You can't even see my fucking bitch ass cat. It don't hurt though, but still, that was kind of mean. Like, why did he do that? Pumpkin seeds all over the floor. I didn't realize.
I know.
Pumpkin. It's very cool. Oh, what? There's so much trash here. There's more Doritos.
Yo.
Doritos on the floor. This is the situation. I got like hella wires. This is the longest charger known to man. At my cousin's house, apartment. This is the end of this vlog.